dos, y un, dos, tres, y...
All right, guys, welcome. We're gonna go downtown to the coffee fair. You might as well come along with us. There's Jennifer back there. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, let's check out the coffee fair. Not too busy. Lots of vendors though. I don't think we're gonna have any coffee. Chocolate? Coffee chocolate. Cerveza.
Cerveza artesanal, es una American Porter de 6 grados. Es un nuevo lanzamiento que tenemos en Café Casa Barrera. Está muy rica, la verdad.
We should try one. Want to get two?
I don't drink beer.
We'll get two. I'll take them home.
Okay, ¿cuántos?
Tiene un costo de 80 pesos.
How are you?
80 pesos.
Good.
Cada uno.
¿Quieres tu canela o quieres
Dos.
¿Dos?
See? I gotta try your beer. Oh, just the dog, not me.
¿Tienes café? Van a pagar 2 cervezas.
You're Max?
No, he's Max.
Max. Hi, Max. Daryl.
Daryl. Oh, yeah.
Two Gringos.
Two Gringos.
Yes.
All right. Welcome. You just got here?
See, yeah, I'm gonna try your beer.
Oh, okay, okay. Perfect.
40.
What? Ay, Dios.
Tengo aquí 10.
I'll have it for breakfast tomorrow.
Where?
For breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, gracias. Oh, it's warm. You
Yeah.
drink it warm?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
That's for her.
She don't like beer.
No,
wanna
no,
try it?
No, it's coffee.
try it.
Oh, this is a coffee.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, this is a
I
coffee.
thought you were giving me beer.
No, they don't let me to do tasting.
No cerveza.
Just home.
Oh, that's good.
No, it's cafe.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
Did you want to get a small coffee too?
¿Le das Michela? No sabía que ella decía. ¿Eh? No sabía que ella lo había. Oh,
Okay, we'll
yeah.
grab a medio coffee.
Oh, you want Mary coffee? Okay.
Yeah,
¿En grano?
El grano.
Grano.
Perfecto.
125.
There we go. Beer and coffee. What more could you ask for?
That's a good
Good combination.
combination, yeah. So you guys live in Coatepec?
No, we're here in Xalapa.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, you know Roy Dudley? Vicky Roy?
Yes.
Yeah, we live in his old place.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just over here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but we're going to Mexico City tomorrow
Oh, okay, okay.
for a week.
For a week.
Yes, and then I'm gonna fly back to Canada to visit my mom and dad.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, mama, papa,
Okay.
for
Bring them.
pardon?
They have been here.
No,
No.
no. They're my dad's 87.
Wow.
So yeah, no, he's not flying anywhere.
okay,
I
okay.
gotta go see them.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I'd be back. And then we go to Oaxaca.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I like
do.
your chapeau.
Huh?
Your chapeau sombrero is nice.
Yes, thank you.
Excellent.
But you come into. Actually, I'm a tour guide.
Oh, okay. Perfect. I tell all my gringo friends.
Yeah, tell him.
¿Cómo se llaman?
We take them to have fun.
Yeah.
You know, to around this area.
Okay. Well, maybe when I come back from Canada,
Okay.
I give you a call.
All right, no problem.
Perfecto. Your WhatsApp number is here?
Yeah, there's my number and my email number.
Okay, perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
I'll give it to the wife because I'll lose it.
I know.
Jefa.
Yeah. You look like from Guadalajara. Either way.
Yeah. She understands.
Pásale.
Canada.
Yeah. One of my visitors, we trade pins.
Oh, okay, nice.
I give her mine and she give me this
Oh,
one.
very good.
So yeah.
Cool. All
I
right.
do tourists for people around the world.
Yeah.
So
Are you from Veracruz?
I'm from here.
From here, Xalapa, Veracruz.
Xalapa and living in Coatepec.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we lived in Coatepec for
Dos meses.
2 months. Yeah, see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How do you like Coatepec?
I love Coatepec.
Yeah. It's very
Yeah.
quiet.
Yeah. And Eco, I like Eco.
Chico, yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very good. So
Yeah. But we love here too.
yeah, we.
So nice, so pretty. So very lively here.
Very.
Lots of young people for the college, universities, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
We every night we come down here and walk.
take a walk.
Every night, yeah.
Beautiful.
Unless it's raining.
I've been seeing your pictures and
Yeah.
I like that.
On Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And we want to take a picture with you guys.
See.
We forgot.
See.
¿No las tomas?
Can you?
Get that guy in the box upstairs.
This is Federico.
Federico.
Yeah, he's from Coatepec too.
Ah.
Perdón.
Daryl. Oh, perfecto. Gracias.
¿Nos saca la foto? Fede.
Can you send it to me on Facebook?
Yes.
The picture.
I will.
Thank you.
Yes.
Gracias.
No problem. Right here.
Perfecto.
Very good.
Excelente.
All right.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias a ti.
I see you in 5 weeks.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto,
Mucho
Max.
gusto.
Hasta luego.
Hasta
Adiós.
luego. Muy pronto.
Adios.
Ok.
Mucho gusto.
Gracias por venir.
All right, so we got some coffee and we got some beer. I wanted to try the beer. I didn't even know that he was selling beer. I seen on Facebook he had the beer advertised. So you get some cake.
That's my favorite.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That Tom is your favorite.
Yes.
Oh, well, we'll try his coffee.
No, it's not. No, I bought it thinking it was, and it was not. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, we can sample Molle.
Pronunciar mi humilde nombre, de cualquier modo yo te seguiré queriendo. Yo sé que nunca tú querrás jamás amarme.
Hey, we'll go around and then we'll go through there, the gauntlet of people over there. Oh, look at these guys got tables set up. Well, of course, this is a coffee chain place. Oh, look at a big bag of coffee there. I don't imagine it's filled with coffee. Well, they got sample Molle there.
Eso último que platicaste de la familia. No, man. Ah, ya ves.
Oh, these guys got plants set up there. Nice. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool. Coffee fusion. No.
Buenas.
Buenas.
It's the combi guy. The driver. I don't know what that is, but that's the driver.
Our combi tour guys.
Yeah.
Off they go, doing a coffee tour.
Gracias.
Oh, oh, look at this guy.
Disculpe, ¿le podemos poner una foto para ver?
I watched him decorate this place the other night. He was putting the stickers on there, remember? Oh, and the kids got a ramp set up here. A good night to have a jump set up. See if we can see her jump off of there. She gonna jump it?
Estoy diciendo que si vas a saltar.
Bravo, bravo.
See you soon.
Adios. Hey, we'll go through the gauntlet now. The real busy area. Which side do we pick? Straight down the middle. Take the easiest path. They go by the edge Sweets for the sweets. Santa Rosa. I lost Jennifer. There she is.
Combi guy is here. Cafe Combi.
Oh, okay. Somebody's got a little table set up. They got some coffee beans there. Oh, this guy's set up nice.
El medio 150 y el cuartito
Organic. Oh, here's the four regions. This is where usually you like to buy the coffee from these guys. The four regions.
Cuando ya no pueda más, voy a salir a volar. Voy a buscarte. Y cuando tenga tu amor sincero, volverá la luz de nuevo a mi universo. Tu amor es como un río que baña el cuerpo, es como un remolino que va creciendo. Tu amor es el perfume que trajo el viento. Si te vas a marchar.
Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Gonna keep this short and sweet, just like me and my wife. God bless everybody out there. peace on earth, all that good stuff. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios.
Pásale, bienvenido, miren lo que guste.
Una palomita. Cada año. You probably like these fish.
Oh, I'm good. I'm full from my soup still. So there's all your condiments for your popcorn. Lots of hot sauce. You got some chili powder, looks like. You got lime. And then you got this, whatever that's a type of hot sauce. Quite common.
You want anything?
No, just plain popcorn for me. My tummy's a little bit full. Now we missed the light.
Short light.
Yeah, it is a very short light, yeah.
Ricky Baker, yeah, baby, ¿qué quieres el lambón? Si la cago una vez, la caga dos. Te da sexo pero es sin amor. Es como un perreo sin